It's because of the writing at the bottom of the screen. I lift the cardboard up so I can see it. For some reason, it like sort of blends in with the bands. Naan bread. Naan. Yeah, I tried to put Killer Naan bread at the front and then realised when I played the video it was backwards. Too many pumpkins to the head, people. Too many pumpkins to the head. I need a new goal. I don't touch my screen, I'm not going to lie. I don't lean forward. I don't do much at all because this thing's very juicy. Slap it. Holy shit! It's everywhere! It is everywhere! Am I bleeding? That smacked me straight in the